Welcome to Banana Island. Actually, I don't know of any location called Banana Island. Banana Island is wherever you are. And what is Banana Island? It's a way to get relief from health problems. You know, people sometimes come to me, they say, "Tom, what do? You seem to be healthy at age almost 74. And to be honest, I feel pretty good. And I feel better than pretty good. I feel really good. And, you know, I've solved certain issues I've had. I had frozen shoulder. I had skin problems that are still healing. I had hemorrhoids. I had fissures, digestive problems. And I solved them. And one of the ways that I did so was going to Banana Island. And when friends come to me, I tell them, go on Banana Island. Or it could be, go on Watermelon Island, or go on Grapes Island. You know, go on Mango Island, go on Oranges Island. Just eat one fruit for a full week. Now with bananas, you could eat the bananas, you could blend them, put a little vanilla in there. You could, if you didn't want to do mono, if you were totally bored, you could add some organic frozen strawberries or organic frozen blueberries, so you got a little change of pace. But by keeping your diet so simple with just one fruit or maybe two fruits, you are saving so much energy for your body. Because most people don't realize that digestion takes a tremendous amount of energy. Our body is using calories just to digest the food we're eating. So, and it really gets crazy when you start eating things like meat, chicken, fish, eggs, cheese. Your body's working overtime to try to process that food down to simple sugars, because that's the only thing your body can use, simple sugars. No matter what we eat, it has to be processed down to simple sugars. But when you're just eating a fruit, bananas, grapes, watermelon, whatever it is, it's assimilated it starts to go into your bloodstream on your tongue. It's so easy to digest. So what is the benefit of Banana Island for 1 week? Because you're saving so much energy, okay? Now your body has reserve energy. Your immune system kicks into action and starts to clean up the congestion, the toxins. It starts to get rid of that, and your body can start to heal. So that's why I tell anyone that comes to me, I say, if you want a quick solution right now for 1 week, go on Banana Island. Or any fruit, go on mono meals, you know. But bananas are easy. They're very satiating. They're anti-cancer. They're good for your gut microbiome. They're good for your internal plumbing. They keep everything moving very nicely. They're loaded with water, fiber. They act like a magnet, just pulling the wrong stuff, the toxins, out of you. So remember that Banana Island is where you are. There is no physical location that I know of, but I didn't Google it before I did this, so maybe there is a Banana Island. But try it, and please, just try it for 1 week if you have a health problem, no matter what it is, no matter what. And try it for a week and see if that condition does not improve. And that'll give you a little idea of the power of eating fruits and vegetables. Fruits mainly. But it's like Dr. Colin Campbell said, all the pills and all the medical procedures cannot do for you what a plant-based diet can do, what fruits and vegetables can do for your health. Give it a try. What have you got to lose? And let me just say this too. Do I feel deprived eating a fruits and vegetables diet? I also eat nuts, seeds, and avocados, but in small quantities. I do not feel deprived at all. Not at all. Because the tastes are incredible. The tastes are, I taste more now than I ever did in my life when I was on standard American diet. And when you think about it, what is the standard American diet? You take a piece of meat or chicken or whatever, and you season it. So what are you tasting? The seasonings. Because fat has no taste. You can't taste it. So you're tasting the seasonings. So if you take those same seasonings and put it in your plant foods, you've got the same taste. But it's so much more hydrating. There's so much fiber. There's so much more energy in live foods. So I encourage you to do it. That's what this channel is all about. I will not condemn anyone for eating meat. I have a lot of friends that do so, and that's up to them. And I personally do not think there's anything wrong with it because it is allowed. God allowed it. So I'm not against it. It's just that I choose not to because at this stage of the game, almost 74, I want the best health I can get. And you get that from fruits and vegetables, more so than animal-based products. So please, try it. Leave any questions, comments below. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time. And I do my best to get back to you with answering the comments. All the best. I am going to do, you know what. I'm going to have a big fruit bowl. And then after that, I'm going to have a couple of hours after that, I'm going to have a big garden salad. I love it. It's good stuff. You feel good. It's the food that loves you back. Let me just put it that way. Raw fruits and vegetables love you back. Whereas when I used to eat the French fries or the cheeseburger, it didn't love me back. I had digestive problems so bad, it was sad. Anyway, all the best, guys. Take care. Thank you so much for all your support. I really, really appreciate it.